Hi everyone, my name is Kate and welcome back to my wondernetting channel. Today we'll go shopping with you, hoping to find good jeans and also go to a very cute cafe with cats. Today I have a big parcel of yarn from Hobbii. Let's see what's in it. I ordered a lot of skeins already winter yarn because I'm preparing an interesting project for you which will be dedicated to winter crochets. So they are all in blue, milk and green colors. I know a lot of people associate the winter holidays with red and green, but I wanted something a little calmer, so I ordered these colors. These skeins called Winter Glow and they are wool with acrylic. Good for knitting or crochet sweaters, socks and scarves. It looks like twisted wool, nice to touch, especially like these green shades. I got a gift, look how cute these organizer and markers. I'll show it closer to you a little bit later. Next we have Tweed Delight super soft and beautiful yarn with flecks of other colors. I'm gonna crochet a hat and mittens from that. More Winter Glow, and it's not the end. You see it's milk color and with white color. These three shades I'm gonna use for hat. Next we have an interesting yarn, it's ribbon and it's mainly used for knitting decor or crochet decor or bags for example. It's 100% cotton. I also took in milk and green color. Here I still have a lot of skeins of milk Winter Glow. I will crochet a cozy sweater with them. That's how big the catch was. Write in the comments what yarn do you like the most of all. I'm personally thrilled with everything and especially the gifts I got. Check out these markers. They are magical. I believe I can wear them as jewelry. Of course not, but they're super beautiful. And the bag or organizer, it made with velvet fabric I think. I never thought that it will be so convenient. You can put here your hooks, yarn, scissors, go to the town and crochet. It's very handy. All links to the yarn, organizer and markers will be in the description under the video. Go to the Hobbii's website and check them all. Now let's get ready to go shopping in the city. Today I'm gonna do my hair with this device. It makes curls. My mom gave it to me for my birthday a long time ago. It's from Babyliss. It has different modes. Underneath is the temperature, then you can adjust the time and which way to curl, left, right or alternate. Before curling, I prepare my hair by brushing it well and applying styling foam. I spread it on the ends and brush again. This way, curls will last longer. Okay, let's start. Take a small strand of your hair and grab it with a curling iron like this. Press and then it'll do everything for you. Waiting for the timer to beep. And then you can let go your hair. That's the curl you got. I think it's very beautiful. Okay, let's take the next strand. When I first started using it, I was scared that it would swell my hair and burn it, and I would be left without a strand of hair. But it has some sort of sensor that releases your hair if you take in too big strands or if it doesn't like something, so you can get used to it quickly. Let me show you what happens when he doesn't like a strand of your hair. He beeps and let go of the hair. It's scary the first time, then it's not, because you understand that it wouldn't burn your hair. Since I have a long hair, I comb my whole head in about 10 or 15 minutes. It's very fast. And this is what I got. I immediately brush my curls because I want to make them look more natural. Here is such a hairstyle. I would really like to make such curls on my head. The look immediately becomes complete. For more volume, you can add hairspray like this, pulling the hair apart. And in a second, I'm all ready with my makeup. Today my outfit is like jeans, white t-shirt, black shirt on the top and my crochet bag. Well, let's go to the town. Today I want to walk with you on the streets of the city where I live now in Poland. I really like the architecture of European cities. It makes you want to look at it. Here we have a castle walled in. I think there used to be a water here. You can see it by the color of the wall. Right now we have a golden autumn. It's not hot and there is a cool breeze. I like this weather. Look at this beautiful building. It's called Medical Garden. I would like to live in a residence like this. Moving on to the mall, let's walk through the historic city center. I don't know what it's like for you. For me, all European cities look plus minus the same, but they are all so atmospheric and beautiful. We go to a small square, there is a mall where we're going, and there are beautiful buildings everywhere. And we're heading straight to the mall. I've been searching for a good pair of jeans for myself for quite some time. On my Instagram, I asked you for advice on where I can find a good jeans. I've been advised Levi's, C&A or C&A, I think. I don't know how to pronounce it. Also H&M, Bershka, well, a lot of things. But the majority were in favor of C&A, so we'll go there first. I've never bought anything in the store before and I didn't even know it existed. The first thing we do is walk in and immediately see the jeans. The quality is pretty good. Different shades. I would like black, but maybe blue will do. By the way, there is a good basic knitwear, such as this dress. There is a whole section with jeans. It's very convenient that everywhere they write the model of jeans because I'm looking for straight jeans. I think I should take blue jeans because the black ones I don't like. I've already got a pair to try on. Overall, there is a very good selection here. The jeans are tight and good quality. I'm pleasantly surprised. Let's see what else is here. Different accessories, by the way, such bags are now in trend this fall, exactly this color and style. Lots of clothes for teenagers, students, cool knit sweaters and suits like this. I'm very addicted to jewelry. I like different shaped earrings. Now I'm in search of beautiful jewelry too. Look how cute these hearts are. So let's try everything on. I didn't take much because I don't need a lot. I like 2 pairs of jeans. So this is the first one. This is a basic city look. Long sleeve, big bag and jeans. It looks simple, stylish, but I would like to add some second layer on my long sleeve and jewelry. The second jeans are lighter colored. I think they make my legs look thicker. It's funny, what do you think? By the way, I like this black long sleeve. You can wear it as an underwear or just like that. And I really like this bag. I don't know why. I don't usually carry such big bags, but it looks so stylish. Okay, what do you think about all these outfits? Let me know in the comments if you like the jeans from C&A. I decided to buy here only black long sleeve and a bra. By the way, here is a very good selection of socks. There are long milk socks like this. They are very good. I bought all what I chose here, so let's go look for jeans to H&M. Here, as usual, there are such unusual and funny things like setting cargo pants. How about that? A little hitch and the pants are in the trash. Here, of course, there isn't such a large selection of jeans, especially straight jeans, but let's try something on. By the way, there are such sweaters, terrible quality, completely made of acrylic. In them you will be both hot and cold at the same time. I took this strip short to complete the look. First pair of jeans. Very nice, but they are awfully tight in the hips. Maybe I got the wrong size, but they look big on a size up. Maybe that's the way they're supposed to be? I'm not sure, but it looks pretty good now. It's like I've lost a weight. Jeans number 2. I like the color and fit, not too light, not too dark. They'll be comfortable to sit in too. So I don't even think it's worth looking for something else. I'll just buy it. And the quality is really good. I decided to go to the grocery store to buy dried apricots. Yes, my husband and I now decided to give up sugar, so we practically buy ourselves such snacks for tea. By the way, there are so many delicious things from Japan in this store. As soon as my sugar diet is over, I will have to make it tasting. Well, let's go to the great place I found a while ago. This is the cafe with cats. Let's walk through the old streets again, enjoying the good weather and the beauty of the old town. Surprisingly, there is a queue at the entrance to the cafe. They let you inside only with the permission of the staff. Inside, everything is fenced with netting so the cats don't run away. Here is a very nice, cozy place, few tables so that cats are not scared of people and feel good. Lots of cat houses, toys, and the kitten themselves relaxing. While you enjoy the company with the cats, you can have a delicious meal and coffee. Good news, I was agreed to give a small interview about this cafe, how cats live here, whether they can be taken home or whether they feel well here.
First of all, Rzeszów really lacked a place like this. There are lots of bigger towns in Poland which already had cafes with cats, and the main point of opening a place like this was to be aware of how many cats need a home, because all of our cats here are literally made up for taking them home. We're working along with the place which basically accepts stray cats, so all of the cats we see here are strays, and if you like the cat enough, you can adopt it. For now, we have total of 8 cats. Okay, I'm sorry, 7 cats, because one cat literally got adopted yesterday. Yeah, it was our favorite. Kind of sad though, but it helped a lot. Yes, it's happy to hear. So for now we have 7 cats. It takes a lot of work outside of the opening hours to maintain a place clean, for the cats to be safe and feel safe. So the main difficulty of that place is to make people understand that we work here for the cats to feel safe. That's why usually people have to wait in lines, because we need to maintain a certain amount of people inside, so the cats feel safe, so the cats feel loved, and also the rules of the place are pretty strict. We need to supervise what people do, because it's all of their comfort. Yes, cats are here 24/7. The only exception is that when the cafe is open, we let them out here to play. And usually most of the nights they have a absolutely separated way. There's another room that is perfectly made for them to sleep, to eat in, and it's also open during the opening hours. So if the cat feels tired, it doesn't need to stay out with people. It can just go back and rest itself. Honestly, we prefer donations, but you can bring goodies for the cats, usually in the way of like bringing toys or like some food. But the donations, the money donations are also possible, and they 100% go for the cats. So we have like a separate donations for the cats and separate tips for us personally. So what goes for cats just goes for cats.
Thank you for this short interview. And this place is so lovely.
Thank you so much. And remember, if you like a cat from our cafe, just hit us up and we'll make you work.
Well, we made sure that the cats feel safe here, they feel good here, but they are waiting for kind hands that will take them home. To be honest, I love cats very much and I would love to take one home, but unfortunately there is no possibility right now. But I'm sure that these cats will find their owners and will bring joy to someone. So what we had today? Shopping was successful because I bought a pair of jeans and a couple of other things. We took a walk through the beautiful streets of a small European city and ended it all with a visit to a cafe with the cutest cats. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to put a like on this video, I will be very pleased. Also subscribe to my channel, to my Instagram, and see you in the next video. Bye cuties!